Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I have an amazing knife review for you all, this time via Bastard's Knives. And this is a brand new company. It's a Spanish company. Their slogan is Viviendo al Filo, sort of like a translation for living on the edge. And to be honest, I am impressed with what I have seen so far. The company was founded in 2022 by Jorge and Jose. One is a knife collector, the other one is a custom knife maker, and they make all of their fixed plates in Spain and their folders via OEM. I'm really excited to show you guys a brand new knife company, something that I haven't done in a bit, and I'm excited to show you one of their brand new designs. This one is going to be the Utopia. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as always, because I value your time, I'm going to have chapters in this video, so feel free to look for what you need and go straight to that section. Now, let's start with a quick unboxing. So I love these kinds of boxes for knives. It has the magnetic closure. I think it's genius. One of the best boxes designs out there, very sleek. It has burgundy colors and tan, as well as a darker brown on the bottom in an ombre sort of effect. I have to say, I do love their logo, and I'm going to show you in the knife. This is their business cards, pretty cool. And the knife comes in a baggie with the cutout of the knife. So that's that for the unboxing. Now I want to show you, before I show you the knife, I want to show you kind of like their logo, which I think is pretty neat. So it has kind of like, it's giving you the finger right there. I hope you can see it. And I know it's also on the handle right there. Again, I think it's pretty sweet. You know, it has a lot of personality, just like you would see, you know, in like a Chavez knife, you know, the skull that's so very into the brand. I do like when knife companies make their brand part of the knife design. I think it's really neat. Now, I think it's time to talk about specs. Okay, let's start with the blade specs. It is an M390 steel. It actually, I just realized it has a marking right there, not only with the blade steel, but also with a serialized number. I got number 077 out of 200. That's really cool. It also has the Bastard Knives inscription right here on the blade. I think that's really neat. The blade itself feels like it's thick. I love that. And it's super smooth to open and close it. It opens via a thumb stud mechanism. And let's read a little bit more about length and all that. So the blade length is 8.93 centimeters. I will actually do the conversion right here in inches. The overall length is 20.49 centimeters, conversion right here. And this one is actually mirror stone washed. Check it out. It's really beautiful. Again, not only the action is nice, but it does feel like a meaty blade. Perfect for EDC, but I kind of feel like you can probably give it a little bit of harder use. So if you are into, you know, adventuring outdoor activities, this one would be a good one for you. Now, let's talk about the handle. So the handle has a carbon fiber, titanium, and steel locking button. So this is the button right here. And that's how you release the blade once you want to close the knife. So you open it with a thumb stud and then you press on this button right here and it goes down really smoothly. It is a heavy blade, but it actually works really nicely. You guys always ask about blade centering, which I think is interesting because I don't see it centered many times. This one is actually perfectly centered. Pretty cool. Okay, more about the handle. This one has a ambidextrous design for the pocket clip. It is a very minimalistic design as well. A few more things on the handle. So I do want to show you a close-up of the carbon fiber because I do think it's really nice. It's actually, it has a little bit of texture, so it doesn't feel like it will slip from your hands. I'm super clumsy, so that happens sometimes. This one actually is really nice, nicely done. It looks like the screws on this one are torque screws. So, you know, you can replace them if needed very easily with all your, you know, with any tools. That's actually pretty straightforward. They're not proprietary, which is nice. It's a nice thing. And then there's some resistance on the clip. I actually like that quite a bit. Now let's talk about Ergos and how it feels and comfort and, you know, my thoughts on it. I think the Ergos are really nice. I do like the size of the knife for an everyday carry knife. It feels like it's not really big, but it's also not too small. Again, I do have small hands, so you always tell me I make knives look really gigantic, but I feel like it is kind of that perfect size for anyone, for an everyday carry knife. Again, with what I feel is a really nice blade style and blade length that will probably go between an EDC knife to a more hardcore use if necessary. There you have it, you guys. You need to check out my friends at Bastard Knives. Brand new company. They do have a lot of different styles on their website, fixed blades and folder knives, all beautiful, great quality, great style, beautiful company design and elements. It looks like their branding actually reflects on their knives, which is all about high quality and really amazing tools. So again, the link is going to be on the description of this video. So if you guys want one, check them out, say hi from me. And as always, if you like what I do, consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. If you like knife reviews, I have a playlist that you can check out. I will put the link up here. Also, you can follow me on social media, check out my Patreon, and I will see you guys soon in another review. I hope you're having a good one. Bye. A little extra close-up, just in case. Because I tend to talk a lot, and sometimes I forget to show the knife.